The higher line tunable white strip is available in IP00, non-waterproof, and with splash-proof protection at IP65. Cutting points are every 100 mm, and it is powered by a SMD 3014 chip. It has 12 of them every 100 mm, with a total of 120 LEDs per meter. So you will essentially have 60 warm white chips and 60 cool white chips every meter. It has a 10 mm width PCB with a power consumption of 14.4 watts per meter, and this will generate a total of 1380 lumens per meter of brightness. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.